checked. 60 for short pants, 40 for long pants. My channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So I'm going to call her now. Varanollam, we might shift to Goa permanently.
No, you're lying.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brynel and welcome to Brynel's Diaries. So I will be doing Instagram followers controls my day. I see many YouTubers do this, so I thought, why not I give it a try. So currently it's Wednesday, 2nd of June and the time is 10:35 in the morning. So I won't do this today because obviously it's become late and I already started my day, everything, had breakfast, got fresh, put on clothes, everything. So I won't start it today, but I'll start from tomorrow, a new fresh day, a new start. So I will do it tomorrow. I'm shooting my intro today. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Hey, good morning guys. So it's another day, another new day, and today is the day where I will be following what you guys have selected for me. Currently it's 9:05 a.m. I woke up around by 8:45 a.m. but then I finished brushing my teeth, washing my face, and I just combed my hair because it was very messy, so I had to and my voice is just sounding very bad because morning voice. We will start our day by the outfit. So currently I'm wearing this Hello Kitty top and a random pant. So yesterday night I had put all the polls on Instagram so that when I get up in the morning I don't need to wait for the votes. So that's why I had put yesterday only. And the first poll I put on Instagram was what outfit I should wear at home, short pant or long pant. So if you ask me, what I would wear is the short pant because that's comfortable, right? But we'll see how many people voted for which and I will wear that. So 60% of people voted for short pants and 40% of people voted for long pants. It's a yay. So I'm going to take bath and all, and then I will be wearing the short pants that you guys have selected for me. Let's go. Hello. So I just got out of the shower and I'll check one more time how many people did vote. I already did before, but let's check it one more time. So I just checked, 60 for short pants, 40 for long pants. So yeah, we will go with the shorts. So I'll see you when I get dressed. Here's the outfit. Hello. I know this is the second time I'm saying hello, but hello again. And I've put my outfit, and yeah, and it's currently 10:30. I have to have my breakfast, and for breakfast I kept options as chapati bhaji and eggs and bread. Yeah, I do eat chapati bhaji because it's healthy, so it's okay I get that also, but we will see what you guys have voted for. So 63 people have voted for eggs and bread and 37 people have voted for chapati, which is not that bad, but it's okay. I'm gonna make myself some eggs and I'll see you soon. I have made the eggs, 2 eggs and 4 breads. Hey guys, I'm gonna fast forward this, don't worry. I'm done now and I'll keep my plate and I'll see you soon. I should not eat and talk. That's a very bad habit. I'll keep that in mind. I'm done and I know I shouldn't eat and talk. That's a very bad habit, but my grandmother was there, so I was just, answering her and like giving her some here and there talk. So, it's okay, I guess. So we do talk that way. So, since I'm done with my breakfast, I have to have my tea because that's incomplete. Yeah, so I'm having my tea with this mini cup. I'm actually little messy because I didn't comb my hair. I mean, I combed it, but I just randomly tied a mini small bun because I was making egg. If I would leave my hair, I would have sweated like that. That's why I tied my hair so that I don't feel hot. So don't worry, the next poll will come soon about my hairstyles only. So next poll I had put on Instagram, hairstyles that you prefer. Either it's a simple ponytail or a bun. So let's see how much votes each of them have got. 74 people voted for bun and 26 people voted for a simple ponytail. So let's do the bun hairstyle since my hair is looking literally very messy right now. So yeah.
Every time I try to breathe, the moon will rise and carry me. For I've loved and I have died. So I won't hold back. And you should know that was never gone. Just have regrets.
So this is the bun that I've created, and yeah, it's pretty normal, so do I like it? Yeah, I love it actually, but I don't know whether I will be able to wear this for a very long time because at times I do take off my bun or ponytail because my head pains wearing thing very up and it's tight, not very tight but it's tight, and plus 2 rubber bands are added. The second one is it's kind of little tight, so for now it's okay. If it pains for a little while, I will take it off and again I will tie it on top. So yeah, otherwise my head will start paining very badly. And yeah, why do I look like a potato from here? Okay, so I don't know. okay, I just feel like laughing at myself right now. Okay, so guys, the next poll that I had put on Instagram is, what should I do in my free time? Either sketch or paint my nails. See my nails, guys, they've grown so long. The time that I did that video where I was giving, I think, tips, 5 tips to grow long, natural, healthy nails, and it's grown like this much so far. I don't know whether you all can see or no. The last nail polish I had is that water marble nail art, and I took it off because I've been working on a nail art. Kind of little difficult and I need practice to do it. For that reason I had taken off my nail polish. So let's see how many people have voted for each of them. So 56 people voted for sketch and 44 people voted for paint my nails, but unfortunately we have to go which has the highest number of ratio. So it's basically the sketch, and I will be doing that sketch which I've been working on for past, I feel, a week, I guess. I had taken 2 days break, so I think I can come back with the sketch now. And yeah, let's get sketching. Also guys, I forgot to tell you, I had put a poll after the sketch and the nail paint just in case if people would vote for painting my nails. So then I had put a poll either which nail polish I should choose, either it's red or blue. 44 people voted for red and 56 people voted for blue. Sadly I cannot paint my nails because people voted for sketch. So guys, I finished with my sketch. I mean, I didn't finish, but I gave a break because my back is paining, my hands are paining, and I can't sketch continuously. So I took a break, but I did sketch, and I won't show you because it's not ready yet, you know. I had put on Instagram saying that what should I have for lunch. Either it is what's cooked at home or Maggie. Let's see what people have voted for. So 72 people have voted for what's cooked at home and 28 people have voted for Maggie. Wow, what a huge difference. So yeah, let's go have our lunch and I'll show you my plate and I'll see you soon.
Don't be a stranger now. Turn up the stereo, the sound is taking hold. You dance like no one sees, a private galaxy. The music of your soul, a symphony.
Full right now. Yeah. So I just finished with my lunch, and for those of you who keep telling me that I don't eat and I've become so thin and I don't eat anything, so yeah, you can see like I do eat, okay, I do eat so much. Food was delicious and I love fish a lot. I will walk for some time because I've eaten. Then I'll get to the next poll. Stay tuned. By the way, my eyebrows are grown a lot. So guys, it's currently 2:45, 2:45, and yeah, my next poll is what should I do for fun? Either prank a friend or make reel. 57 people voted for prank and 43 people voted for reels. So now I think so I should go for the prank because prank has the highest number of votes. So I'm going to prank one of my bestie and I won't mention her name because of some reasons. Yeah, I will prank her today and hopefully, you know, it goes successful. So guys, one more thing before calling her. I don't know whether she's free or no because she might have classes or maybe studying, so I don't know. I'm just hoping so she be free. So I'm going to call her now. I'm scared. Okay, let's do it. You know, forget it. Let's do it. Oh, it's ringing. I'm nervous. Ignore my face. I'm come so close up right now to the camera. See, I guess she's busy, guys. I don't know.
आपण कॉल करत असलेली व्यक्ती उत्तर देत नाही.
I told you she might be busy, so I will wait for some time and I will call her back again because I don't want to disturb, you know, maybe she's having classes and all, so I'll just wait for some time and yeah, then we'll call her.
One eternity later.
So guys, she's calling. I'll pick up the call right now. Hello.
Yeah, you call?
Yeah, like busy. You're busy?
I have class. Actually, I'm in class. In 1 minute or 2 minutes, the class will end. So I'll call you.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, I'll call you in like 2 minutes because it'll get over in 2 minutes and then I'll have 10 minutes to talk to you.
Yeah, because it's urgent.
And one more thing, it's urgent.
Yeah, do your class and all,
You
everything.
pick the call. I'll call you like right in 1 minute or 2 minutes. Because
Okay,
she's giving some announcement. So then I'll hear that and I'll call you.
okay, fine. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, I knew she would be in online classes, so it's okay. Yeah, we will wait.
12 seconds later.
Okay, now she's calling. Hello.
Hello? Yeah, sir.
Yeah, your class and all got over.
Yeah, now till 3:30 I have 6.
Acha, okay. So 10 minutes, yeah. So,
Hmm.
yeah.
What happened?
Yeah, I was saying that there's some bad news.
What happened?
Arey, you know that, don't freak out, okay? And I know this lockdown and all is going on. And you know, we haven't met now, like for so long.
Yeah,
So,
it's so long, I know.
I know, and I feel, now see, yesterday me and my family, we were discussing, okay, all this, and we decided, like, once this lockdown and all, everything gets over and all now, we might shift to Goa permanently.
No, you're lying.
No, I'm serious. Like, we are shifting to Goa permanently.
You're lying. You can't do that.
I mean, like, now, yeah, even I told them so much. I told them yesterday. They are like, "Arey, no, I can't this and all." Because I know somewhere near places also is good, but I don't know, like,
Goa, I mean, like, there's so many places in Mumbai. It's like Goa directly.
Okay, so basically my mom and dad, they both decided, and after that they told me actually today morning, and I was like scared, like I was like, "Arey, like why suddenly Goa? It's so far, and that is so permanently. What about my college? What about everything?" So they are like, we might.
But one thing, like it's lockdown, so the lockdown to open is gonna take a long time. So you think that are you sure about this? What do you think?
Yeah, I'm sure. I'm very sure.
No, you're not. You can't do that. Look, you're the only person in the building I know, and we're like best friends. You can't go suddenly.
We haven't met also,
You're
and
gonna make me cry right now.
I'm feeling very bad. I don't know what can I do.
Tell them something like your college is also there. This is not. No, you can't go. I won't let you go. I won't let you go.
Okay, so the thing is now they are telling me I'm going to be like in Goa. So one college is there. They have selected some college. I don't know the name, but they have some college over there. So I might take admission over there.
No, you're not doing it.
I
Tell
am.
them no, yeah. Like you can also give a suggestion. Tell them no.
What?
Tell them no. I mean you can't. Okay, fine. I can't even say anything. Then I've already decided.
I know now. I'm feeling very bad.
My heart is beating. The rate is like so high right now because of the news you've given me.
I want to tell you something, okay? One more thing, but don't get angry, okay?
What? Why would I even get angry? Just tell.
This was a prank.
No, it's not.
It is, really, it is.
No, it's not.
Okay, so I'll explain you. It's for the
No.
YouTube channel. I did a prank, okay? I'll explain you later. Just give me some time. I'll call you in some time only, okay?
Okay, fine. But you can't do this to me. I would get a heart attack.
Okay. I won't do it, okay?
I'm taking revenge. I'm taking a revenge. I'm going to take a good revenge. You're going to regret for pranking me, okay?
Okay.
Let's see. Let's see who has a better prank, okay?
Okay.
Bye. I
Bye.
don't want to talk to you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. I didn't know this would work out, but it worked out, While I was pranking her, I was shivering. I didn't know what to speak. I had no words because whatever prank I had kept in my head, it's all just, flying away. It's all just like going away. I couldn't do this. I just don't know how it became. But luckily, the prank was successful. And I am so happy. Like, yeah. Yeah, I'm just going to take some break now because after having that big moment of very daring wala moment, because I've never pranked anybody in phone. So I am like, shivering. Okay. See you guys later.